Do you wanna play Minecraft on a Steam Deck? With full controller support, mods, shaders and running at 60 FPS, here's exactly how to set it up. First, switch to desktop mode. Press the Steam button, go to Power, and select Switch to Desktop. Open the Discover store. Search for the Prism Launcher, select it, and press Install. And on a desktop mode, we need to make one more important step. Go to Application Launcher, All Apps, find the Prism Launcher, right-click, just press the L2, and click Add to Steam. Next one you can do from desktop as well. Launch the Prism Launcher, select Language, here everything good, just press Next, add a Microsoft account. Go to Settings, Java, and in maximum memory usage put 8192 and click OK. And before we continue, we need to switch to game mode. Let's go to Library, Non-Steam Games, click Prism Launcher, and press the controller icon. After this, go to Edit Layout, then go to Trackpads, find the right trackpad, and change its behavior to as mouse. And change the right-click trackpad. Need to find left mouse click. Go to mouse, left mouse click, select. And now for the best part, the mod pack. I'm going with Zima Vanilla Plus, which is specifically designed and tested for a Steam Deck. We're gonna switch back to desktop mode, launch a Prism Launcher, select Add Instance, select this mod rinse, and search for Zima. Click on it, select the latest release, and press OK. Click Launch. First time it's gonna be longer. Yay! Now we can return to gaming mode, go to Library, Non-Steam Games, Prism Launcher, and click Play. And launch Zima Vanilla Plus. Click Ready again. Nothing gonna work, so go to Options, Controls, Controller Settings, switch to Steam Deck, click Settings button, Advanced, and select Mixed Input. So with this one you can use your mouse and controller at the same time. Click Save Changes and Done. And switch to Steam Deck control. Click Use and Done. After this you can use your Steam Deck controls as usual. First time it's gonna load chunks. Still loading chunks, but it works really good. Now on video settings you can go to shader pack, and if you don't want the shader packs you can turn it off. Just disable it and click Apply, and instantly it gives you more FPS. The game looks much better with the shaders. So you just lose around 20-30 FPS. Okay, I think I want to turn off the distant horizon. It looks good, but all the time it gives you these chunks to download. Create game. On Zima modpack, click Edit, Mods, find distant horizons, and click Disable. And yeah, that's working pretty good. And it looks beautiful as well, because of shaders. That's a full setup. If this worked for you, drop a comment, and if you ran into any issues at any step, comment exactly where and I'll try to help you, if I know how to do it, of course. And subscribe for more Steam Deck guides. I've got battery life tricks, decky loader plugins and more coming every week. See you in the next one.